In this video, I'll detail how to change an iPhone from silent mode to loud mode. So if your iPhone is on silent mode, then this video is going to show you how you can easily change your iPhone from silent mode to loud. Then how can you know or find out that your iPhone is on silent mode? Your iPhone is basically on silent mode when it is not ringing out, or you swipe at the control center like this and you discover that the notification sound has been disabled. So if the notification sound is disabled on your iPhone, then it implies that the iPhone is on silent mode. Now, to turn off silent mode on your iPhone, all you just need to do is come here. If your iPhone has an action button, then locate the action button and then turn it up. So the up is the ringer. Then if you switch it down, this is going to enable silent mode. And once silent mode is enabled, using the action button, you're going to feel the haptics. So that's one of the ways that you can use to change your iPhone from silent mode to loud. So additionally, you can also go to your iPhone settings. Now, on the settings page, scroll down and click on sound and haptics. Then here under ringtone alert, ensure that the ringtone alert volume is set to the maximum, or at least is above average. Then come to haptics. So that's all you need to do. And now your iPhone will now switch or change from silent mode to loud on your iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.